National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maywood, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Harwood Heights, Rosemont, Norridge, Schiller Park and Logan Square around 3:30 p.m. Parkridge and Niles around 3:40 p.m. Chicago and Skokie around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include River Grove, Elmwood Park, Broadview, Leakenwood and Berkeley, including the following interstates. Interstate 94 between mile markers 41 and 46. Interstate 290 between mile markers 17 and 22. Interstate 294 between mile markers 41 and 46. This is a dangerous situation with hurricane-like wind speeds expected. High-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service